What is going on, guys? My name is Vupsy, and today I will be doing another Failing Bird video. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. This game is really obnoxious. Oh my fucking... Do you see why it's obnoxious? My brother is sitting right next to me right now, and he's just smiling away.
You suck. Let me try. You suck.
No. You ain't trying, man. This is my video. Get it. Oh my god. Get off of my video, boy. Alright. Let's get this going.
Oh my god, Lewis! You're doing it!
Yeah, I'm doing it. 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 What the fuck? What the fuck? What you... Alright, I'm fucking pissed right now. How did that bird even fly up in the air? Oh. I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this. We can do it, guys. Gotta get that subscriber luck. My 22 subscribers that are watching. Oh, that is making me mad. That is making me real mad. Oh, I love this game, but it's so fucking annoying! Oh! Oh my god, alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I love this song. Oh! Alright. What the fuck? I'm gonna break your fucking bird neck. This is so annoying. How is that even possible? My thumbs are getting tired. People make millions of dollars off of games like this by only pressing one button. Oh my god, why do they add stupid little fucking flowers? What? Alright. Why do I keep spamming the A button? We got this. We got this. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. No problem. This is gonna be... You fucking little bullet that keeps flying across the fucking screen. That's all you are. Ooh. 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 I'm gonna go into Hulk mode. I'm going to Hulk mode. Oh my god. Alright, calm down, Vupsy. Calm down, Vupsy. Calm down, Vupsy. Don't have a heart attack. Don't have a heart attack. Don't have a heart attack. Come on, nice and calm. See that? I'm gonna do this. Let's go. Not so bad. The fuck are these things? Yes, I'm doing it though. I don't know how I'm doing this. Yay, I made it. Alright, let's go. We're going. Whoa, this is pretty easy, actually. Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh my god. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I was doing so good. Wow, I was doing really good. That's disappointing. I think once you get the hang of it. Oh, you see this? Oh! Oh! See, I had a streak. That was nice. Why do I keep hitting that thing, man? Alright. Oh my god, no! Good failing bird. Good failing bird. Very, very good failing bird, you naughty little failing bird, you fuck. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking break your little failing neck. I love this song to this, man. I could just listen to this song every day. What? How? 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 We got this. We got this though. We're gonna do it. We're gonna get past whatever my high score was, which is I don't know because I just skipped it. Which is I don't know because I just skipped. And let's see, best 15. Well, we're gonna keep going. Keep going. We're gonna beat the record. We're gonna beat the fucking record. All right. Keep dying. Keep dying. Keep dying. Oh. All right. I'm not gonna talk. I'm not gonna talk. I'm not gonna talk. Oh. I'm not gonna talk. I'm not gonna talk. All right. All right. It's for real now. It's for real. Jesus, man. Why? Why does feathers have to come out of it? It's like 2D game. Feathers have to come out. Like, it's not that serious. Little bubbles come out from him? Like, that makes no sense. You're a bird. Bubbles are not supposed to come out of you. You're a fucking bird. Oh my god. Oh, dog's going crazy. Dog is going crazy. Ouch. Oh my god, this pissed me off. Dog just went crazy. Dog went psycho. And I mentioned my dog in every video. No life. I have no life. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, I think I'm gonna pretty much end it up here. I'm gonna go one more time at this, because this is a very obnoxious game. Gives me a headache too. Alright, wait, one more time, and then I'm gonna end this video. Alright, so in the meantime, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If I get to 3 in this time right here, I want you to subscribe. Alright, please subscribe anyway. Oh my god. Oh, this is pissing me off. Alright, I'm gonna go one more time, even though I keep saying I'm gonna go one more time. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, and I'm out. Peace.